Yo, I'm sick of this goddamn shit. Smoke me, motherfuckers. Smoke me. Come on, smoke me. Smoke me! You got the goddamn balls, bitch. 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 You goddamn right. Come on, try to do it. Come on, I know you can do it. Come on, get up here, man. Get in my fucking face. Come on, smoke me. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. If you got the goddamn balls, bitch, lately I can't. But I think there's a lot of fucking people out there who wants to smoke me. Well, you know what I say. If you got the balls, motherfucker, pull it out and blow my balls off. Kill me, shoot me in the fucking head, make me dead. Kill me, shoot me in the fucking head, make me dead. Dead, kill me dead, come on, smoke me, bitch. Smoke me, come on, right here, right in the fucking head. Right here, right now, right in the fucking head. Come on, smoke me, kill me dead. Smoke me, bitch, smoke me dead. Kill me right here in the fucking head. Head. Shit, I ain't afraid to take a bullet. I take a bullet for any of my exes any day. Vanessa to Sabrina to Haley, to Jordan to Emily. So smoke me, come on fucking smoke me till I'm dead. Shoot me in the fucking head. Come on, kill me, shoot me in the fucking head, make me dead. Smoke me, shoot me in the fucking head, kill me dead. Smoke me right now. I cannot fall, my insides crawl. Feels like no one can beat me, no. I will not fall, I will stand tall. Feels like no one can smoke me free. I'll kill every day, but someone I won't take a goddamn bullet for is Maddie. Shit, I wouldn't, and don't hate me, cause I'm saying that, cause most of you know you wouldn't, you couldn't, cause you were pussy. In first grade when you were little, you were called a wussy. You fucking homo. Yo, smoke me, shoot me in the head, make me dead. Come on, smoke me, shoot me in the head, make me fucking dead. I don't give a fuck, bitch, fill me full of lead. Kill me dead, come on, smoke me, bitch, smoke me, come on, right here, right in the fucking head, shoot me dead, make sure I'm fucking dead, make me dead, come on. I will not fall, I won't die, I will not fall, my insides crawl, feels like no one can smoke me, oh. I cannot die. I will not die. Feels like no one can kill me. Yo, how long is it gonna take till you find out? Or should I say figure out that I just don't give a fuck? So shut the fuck up, you stupid fuck. No one cares what you think, you don't matter. So cut your fucking wrist and put an end to it, you stupid shit. I'm done with it, honestly, I'm done with this stupid shit. I quit, you're the dumb fucking little shit. You're too stupid to understand what I'm saying, shit. I can't handle it. What do? I stand here with my dick in my hand. Goddamn, this motherfucker just don't understand. Smoke me now. Feels like no one can beat me. Yo, is that the goddamn truth?